guys, I'm making some bath bombs today, and I have my colors that I want to use. I'm using 3 colors today, as you will see in a previous video that I posted, how to bloom your baking soda with dyes. And the baking soda, it's all dry now. So what I did is separate colors equal parts. I have about 5 ounces of colorants in each one, but my recipe is going to be different for the yellow and the green and for the pink. So I will bring you back after I mix everything up and I'm ready to pack, because you've seen me mixed up before in the blender and just want to save some video time and yeah, and get that sorted. Okay, I'm going to add my citric acid to my mix. I've already put my oils and fragrance in here and my dry ingredients with the baking soda. Okay, I have all my mixtures, colors are all ready to pack. And I'm making a round bomb, and I'm making some round bombs, and hopefully I have enough to put in here. Now I'll have to mix it all up. Okay, it's still nice and hard. This bath bomb is called Carnival Time, and it's Carnival time in Brazil and a few of the Caribbean. They're having their carnival starting this month of February, and so I want to start with the yellow. See, make sure it's still able to. Some yellow in here. Oh, goodness gracious! I forgot one thing. My shimmer. I'm using a white diamond sparkle in each one of these colors. Colorant. Ugh. Can't speak today. No speaky today. Just mix it in there. Forgot. I'm always forgetting something. Always. Like, seriously. My brain is not. This is why I don't think I could do sparkle all over. It's like a sparkle fiesta. Okay, so where was I? I was packing the yellow first. So yellow, 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 yellow. And then I do need some. Oh, it's all over the place. I have sparkle all over the place. It's like I want a line around. Oh, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Because it's all about the carnival. And oh, I totally messed that up. Oh yes, I did. I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. Okay, this is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do something like I wanted to bring some pinks in. Maybe I'll pinch it and put some pinks over here. Pinky, pinky over here. Pinky, pinky over here. Okay. Alright, put some more yellow on top of that. I do need to get another bold. Another bold here. Oh no. No, no, no. I don't have something to hit this thing here. Okay. Oh, that color is super, super duper fantastic. Ooh, yeah. Maybe no pinchy next time. Okay. There you go. Carnival. Oh, yeah. Okay, on to the next. On to the next. Ugh. Okay, so where did I put it? Maybe I'll put a different. No, I want the same color. Oh, it's right in front of my face. Oh gosh. I swear, I'm blind. Or I'm too trying to do things so quickly. And this is just glitter I'm putting over here in my mold. And this one here. Okay. Make sure it's not too dry. I don't have a spritzy. Let's make sure it's not too dry. If anything, I'll spritz it when I take it out the mold. Simply spritz. Wrong mold. Wrong mold. I have to clean this out. A little bit different. It is quite sparkly. It is a sparkle world. See that? Sparkle, 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 sparkle. Alright, I'll finish this off and I will bring you back so that you can see I'm gonna try different molds. And oh yeah, I think I could do this one here on camera. Ugh, it's all messy inside. Messy, messy, and these are so tiny and small little cups. They're so tiny. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this here to like an embed, but it's not gonna be much of an embed, and so that it has color. And these are going to be, I'm gonna need to I will need to pack these down really good. I think these need to be a little bit more wet. But I think it's gonna work for now. And then when this dries, I shall pipe it. Yeah. So I've finished packing this, and I'll bring you back when I'm finished.